Hello students, welcome to another day of class. Today in our spelling class, we are going to continue with the words from page 32. So, list number 17, page 32 of your books. This one, remember that is just a review of words that you already know. So we are going to continue writing our sentences and our words. From word number 11 to word number 20. And here I have word number 11. Kneel. Do you remember the word? Kneel. So, what you're going to do is that you're going to copy the sentence. Sometimes we kneel to pray. Kneel, arrodillarse, that's the meaning. Then, the next one. Blanket, blanket. I need an extra blanket on chilly nights. Manta o cobija, that's the meaning of blanket. Jacket, jacket, chaqueta. Look at the picture. Colin has outgrown his jacket. Tickle, tickle. This one is the word. Stacy likes to tickle her kitten under his chin. The next one is picture. Remember that all those words you already know them. It's just a review. Picture. The baseball team has a new pitcher. Copy the sentence and copy the word. The word is pitcher. The meaning of the word is lanzador. And this one it is the sentence. The next word is trophy. Trophy. James was awarded a trophy for being the most valuable player. Trophy. Trofeo. Dolphin. I really like them. Dolphin. A dolphin swims very gracefully. So dolphin. Delphin. Look at the picture. The next one. Answer. Answer. Check your answer before handing in your work. Respuesta. Answer. When we ask, we got an answer. Psalm. Psalm. Do you have a favorite psalm from the Bible? Do you have one? Psalm. And our last word today is listen. I like to listen to my mother read aloud. Listen. Escuchar. So, what is your homework? Your homework is to copy all the sentences from number 11 to number 20. And then you're going to repeat 5 times from word number 11 to word number 20, each one of the words. That was everything for today's spelling class. I hope you enjoyed the class and you are good at home. You're doing everything fine at home and you are well. So, see you and I love you.